In today's video, I'll discuss the differences between Hello Bello and Honest Diapers. Stay tuned until the end to find out which is better. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. The main difference is the pricing. A single Hello Bello diaper costs 28 cents, while an Honest diaper costs 32 cents. Both brands offer subscription plans, but Honest subscription is pricier. For example, shipping 119 to 238 Hello Bello diapers costs $65, while 126 to 224 Honest diapers cost $79.99 9-month. Hello Bello is the cheaper option. When it comes to sizes, Hello Bello offers diapers from newborn to size 6, accommodating babies up to 35 pounds. Honest provides diapers from newborn to size 7, for babies up to 41 pounds, offering a wider range of sizes. Regarding diaper quantity, a box of Hello Bello diapers contains 119 to 245 diapers, whereas Honest diapers come in boxes of 126 to 224 diapers. Therefore, Honest offers more diapers per box. Both brands share similarities in their commitment to safe and organic ingredients. Their diapers are free of harmful chemicals, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and chlorine-free. To sum up, which is better, Hello Bello or Honest? While I appreciate Honest's wider range of sizes and the number of diapers per box, I favor Hello Bello for its budget-friendly price. My baby gets to enjoy safe and organic diapers without me breaking the bank. Thus, I choose Hello Bello as the overall winner. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.